Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Grok 4 AI tutorial and review. So all you need to do here is go to any web browser and search for Grok 4. Then you should see this one right here. And as you can see, this one is Grok 4, but what you're going to do is tap on the Grok or try this one. So basically here you need to create an account. So once you tap this, you need to create an account. You can create an account using your email and password, but for easier way, I want to connect my Google account right here. So you have your options. Okay, so I'm going to select connect to my Google account, and here it is. So basically, export mode, or if you go to this Grok AI right here, you can see this auto mode. The alternative is auto mode, where Grok will automatically decide which model to use. Now, if you want to use the Grok 4, you have to select the expert mode. So expert mode is setting for Grok that forces every query to go through Grok 4 rather than letting the system decide. So in the expert mode, or the expert option, is specific to Grok 4 because it can meaningfully change behavior. So as you can see, there are options below, and all you need to do is to enter the correct prompt right here. Then you can choose whatever you want to add. So as you can see, you have two response. You can select which one you prefer. And apart from that, you can also use the create images right here, like create or draw a perfect circle or circle right here. Grok will generate a circle right here. You can also ask for latest news right here, and you can choose which one you prefer. So you can select your preferred response. And lastly, personas. So basically that's it. And you can also explore the left side of Grok, where you can see imagine, files, task, project, and so on. So, announcing expert mode is part of the new release with Grok 4. It's being positioned as a way for users to take control, get maximum performance from Grok 4. That wasn't part of the functionality with earlier versions. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.